Hiya, I'm the RC Hunter, welcome to my channel, and today I've installed lights on my Beetle. I just have a quick show around. There's the front, you see it? Turn round, here we go, and there's the back. Awesome. Just a simple, quick process. It already had the holes in it. I'll just show you again around it. Looks really cool. Move it around. There we go. If I can get it in focus, in picture. I'll just dim the lights. There we go. God, she looks so cool. Awesome. It's underneath, if you can see. She does look awesome though. She looks really cool. That's the Baja with lights installed. Looking very, very, very handsome. Right guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment about it in the comment section below. Tell me what you think of it. Bad or good. Always criticisms, always welcomed. So yeah, I'll be taking this one out the next couple of days if the weather is fine, and I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.